episode of Eternal Mana. We were camping at the campfire. Yeah, champing. And now we're heading to the, I don't know, the open theater. Ooh, carrots. Let's go. Yeah, truly, you almost don't even have to buy any items. You can almost find them, kind of thing. But, you know, sometimes good to buy them. Anyway, head to the outdoor theater.
Look at all these people. The place is packed.
You say that.
I can't wait. This is gonna rock.
Okay.
I'm so nervous. I have butterflies.
Don't look now, but the knights are here too.
What? Oh, great.
The Al Cabana are hosting today's production.
Well, that's not good.
At this point, Sir Beggar, the theater must be secured.
Sir.
Got it.
Okay.
Think we'll be okay?
Oh.
See the head honcho. It should be okay as long as we keep a low profile.
Yeah. Sorry about that. A little bit of a lag.
It's just so beautiful.
Why is our chicken as... I don't know. Chicken as part of the audience.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. Look lame.
What the?
That hurt, you big meanie.
You bumped into me.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Next time, watch where you're going.
I was standing.
What was that about?
Don't 100% know.
I don't know, but hey, wait! My book is gone.
Uh-oh.
Damn it! My flask is gone too. Not that I had any booze.
My cookies have been pilfered.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, cookies. Sure.
Where'd my surfboard go?
I don't even know if you brought a surfboard here.
We must report to Sir Beggar at once.
Uh-oh.
That girl must have stolen it, Crane. We might still be able to catch her.
Let's hurry.
My grandma gave me that book. We have to get it back.
That's something you shouldn't yell out.
What about my hooch? That stuff is expensive.
Maybe.
Come on, we'll find her.
Let's go then. Tring. Let's head back to town.
Do you think she'd come to Kavok?
I don't know. Good place to check.
It's a lot easier.
Oh, there she is.
There she is.
Nailed it.
Meow.
Hold it right there.
Epic. Epic run.
Here, kitty kitty. I won't hurt you.
Uh,
Of course you will need to be punished. You've been a bad kitty.
okay.
Forgive me. I have a job to do. There's nowhere to hide.
What the? What do you know? She got away. I suppose that's that. The captain will know what to do. Come, Nguyen.
What?
That girl still has my book. We have to find her.
Let's chase her down then.
But how?
That is a good question. What?
Arlen, where'd you?
Why are you helping us out?
You need to hurry if you're going to catch up with her.
How do you know?
Why are you helping us anyway?
Didn't I just say that?
I don't need a reason.
He's just too cool for a reason. He just helps people out and says,
He
"Screw
said she's
you."
in the forest.
Well, there's only one forest I know of. Let's head to that forest. Well, to the forest we go.
Stop right there.
What? Oh, it's Sir Beggar.
So, this is the little girl who made a fool of the Alcavana Knights?
I...
You may be a child, but you'll pay for what you did.
Yeah?
That's our answer.
Pick on someone your own size, old man.
What? So, you're behind this.
Strike two, champ.
Silence! The noble knights of Alcavana will not tolerate this insolence. I've been looking forward to this. You'd better be ready.
Yeah, sure.
You better watch out. Take cover over there.
Oh, so I guess this is our first boss fight? Looks like it.
I am Beggar, proud captain of the Alcavana Knights.
Ah, wuss.
There's still time for you to beg for mercy, you little punks.
Nope.
I'm Sway. You two ready?
You can count on us, sir.
We've got your back.
Yeah.
Have at you.
Eey. 25.
Sky Dragon's Rage!
Too slow.
Wait, that was the move? I was like waiting for some sort of awesome attack, but it's just like nothing. Like, oh. Okay.
Mountain kick!
Bam.
Get out of the way!
I'm gonna try to go after one soldier at a time. Goodbye. Bomb ice. Boom.
Dragon's Fury!
Okay.
Dragon's Rage!
Such a pain.
Ouch. Jump kick, beggar.
Mountain kick!
Boom. Hopefully cancel all the
Get
people's
out of the
moves.
way!
Boom. Horizontally. Oh, okay. So if I go this... There we go, yeah. Heal jar.
Evolve me!
He's been... Oh, shit. His attack still got through. I'm way back here now. There's only two left? Huh, I guess we killed the other one. Let's hit
Mountain kick!
you.
Get
Goodbye.
out of the way!
Power shot. bomb ice on Ian or Ian. I don't know. Goodbye. Boom.
Dragon's Fury!
Here's the last. You're by yourself, bud. What are you gonna do? Jump kick. Boom.
Get
Power
out of the
shot.
way!
I didn't cancel his move.
Dragon Slap!
Ouch, this is gonna hurt. Ouch. Hit everybody. Lita. Jump kick again. Bam.
Get
Power
out of the
shot.
way!
Bam. I guess he can't really use it, but oh well. Let's go bomb ice, I guess. Defeat him. Bomb ice. Boom. End him.
Haha! We won!
Lita leveled up, getting 4 HP, 1 MP, 3 attack, 2 defense, and 7 to speed. Three points into jump kick. Klein leveled up, plus 3 to attack, plus 5 to magic, plus 2 to speed. Level 2 on extract. 1 into wide item. 1 into magic resist. Delius leveled up, plus 5 to life, plus 2 to attack, plus 1 to magic. Let's put 2 in dark arrow and 1 into power shot.
Hey, not bad. You really should have joined us.
Yeah, so I would kick your ass twice as hard.
But now I'm mad. You won't escape my vengeance.
Okay,
I'll follow you through the gates of hell if I have to.
bring it.
Okay. Let's go, sir.
Yeah, take
You'll
your
look
time.
back and rue this. Guys, I wasn't done with my speech yet.
We don't need a supervillain's speech every time they lose.
I'm glad that's over. I'd like my book back now. Thanks.
Come on.
Meow. Zeldalia wants the picture book.
Hold on a second. She got away again. How am I
'Cause
supposed to find her now?
we're very slow.
Don't worry. I know where she's headed. You're kidding.
Doesn't look like he's
It's a
kidding.
long story. Let's head home for now.
Good idea. I'm exhausted.
Probably for the best. Let's grab some mana though. Battle tutorial. Okay, now we need a battle tutorial. Man, I must be too stupid to learn to battle. Battle training class. Sir Beggar. Ah. Okay, Beggar. Yeah. Okay. What? Yeah. Oh, so it's like a charge attack, basically. Could just set that. Yeah. Hmm. Good to know. So we know his weakness. Let's kick his ass. Other type. Unique. Yeah. So, yeah, not the best to use. Continue, I think. So that's a pretty good tip there, I guess. Yeah, I don't really care about that, really. So there's tax and charge attacks. That's all you really need to know about. And others, which are something to do with summoning, but your party care has to leave for a bit while that's happening. Let's collect things around the woods. So, there's no... Oh.
I won't forget this, Klain, you bastard!
Oh, look, he swore.
Don't just stand there. Go arrest Klain!
Oh, just because we kicked your ass?
Right away, sir.
Zawil. Looks badass.
Yeah, okay.
Enjoy freedom while you still can, boy!
Still in pain.
He hasn't seen the last of me. Klain will pay.
Or will he? Or will you just pay again? And again. And again. And again. Something like that, right? Anyway, let's head back to town. How much money we got? Should be enough. To the local weapon shop. Yo, buddy, I need a weapon. I already got her this. Yeah, she already has it. Apparently, I don't have anybody that uses that yet. Or that. Or that. He uses the crossbow, and really, that's it. Increases attack by 8. So, sure. Might as well. Sure. Equipped it. From whatever to 71. He's much stronger now. So now I got all the best weapons for each of my characters at the moment. Whatever's left is spare money. But let's do some... Got this berry. Let's do some crafting for town, I guess. Hello. Free food. Still small time hero. Anything for me to make? Really, your only thing that's pretty shitty is this one. I still want to make the peach cocktail better. Milk. Twisted. I'm still missing some sort of sugar or honey. Wait, can I just buy that from you? Yeah, I could. Buy one rock sugar. Buy one brown sugar. Buy one honey. We're gonna see if we can make something unique. Hopefully we have enough ingredients. Milk. Twister Lando. We usually use rock sugar. But let's go with brown sugar. This is gonna be unique. We have no other liquor, I guess. Apparently we don't have any of this. We'll just use ale. It's probably not as gonna be great as the other one anyway. So we probably won't copy it. We just want to, you know, one. Let's see what we make. Yeah, of course we make the same thing. But is it better than the previous one? No, it's not. I knew it. But now it gives us one so we can make a peach cocktail. That's what the plan was. Milk. Twisted Lando. Brown sugar. Here we go. This is going to be unique. A hard texture. Lando Sour. Hello, we made a new drink. 56. Include this in the menu. Yes. We made a new one. Huh. That's kind of cool. We're having a scene because I made a new drink. Huh. That's kind of neat. Yo. Ever likes the new drink that we made. 68%. Let's see if we can create anything else. Still trying to make this better. Let's go milk. Let's go sweet. This time we'll go honey. Oh, I forgot we're missing the liquor again. Damn. Go with normal ale, I guess. Something crappy. We already know that. Let's see what we... Bam! We got another one. Nope. So now we can try the peach cocktail again. We're gonna use normal milk. We're gonna use sweet Lando. Honey this time. We may get another new review, it said. Nice. This is gonna be good. Rich texture. See what we make this time. Oh, Landor sour again. But it's less than the previous one. Anyway, we made some good drinks. That's all that really matters. Time to make my guys stronger. Sweet Lando.
Cool.
Sweet Lando. You're good. Your turn.
Hey, thanks a bunch, plain old buddy.
No problem, Popo. Okay, you're at perfect. Oh crap, we still have too many apparently. Oh, apparently you can extract elements from these things. Nice. Let's go check out the other shop. See if I can craft anything. Yeah. Ba ba ba. Ba ba ba. Huh. Okay. Oh, she now sells these apparently. Yeah, we kind of don't have anything else. Basically, still the same thing. Mix it up. Still the same thing. Still gonna be a big bomb though. Big bomb's sold out. Nothing much we could do here. Grab some water. Let's head back to base.
So tell us, where's that girl headed, Delsis?
You know.
Well, did you hear her mention Zeldalia? There's
Yeah.
a witch named Zeldalia in Koto's forest.
I guess you're not entirely useless.
Huh.
Huh. Well, it's not that easy. There's a huge fortress blocking the way.
Well, that's
It was
not good.
built back during the war, but it's full of bandits nowadays.
Ah, great.
That's the only way to the forest?
Supposedly, there's a path by Lake Fourwell near Iris's grave. A merchant
Great.
told me that, but I think we can trust him.
We don't have much choice. We'll have to try it.
Well, let's go. Well, first heal up, but then let's go. Like, how long are we talking about?
Too long. Yet we haven't changed a bit.
Oh, it's that asshole.
You didn't come all this way to discuss old times. What do you want?
I thought you might like to know that my experiment is nearly complete.
I love how people just like, you know what? I just gotta tell you that it's nearly complete. Not complete, it's nearly complete.
You cannot defy nature.
And then, you know, we always get some sort of resistance.
We'll find out soon enough.
You fool.
You can't stop me, though you're welcome to try.
Yeah, but because you told her that you're almost done, she can now come up with a plan to stop you. Idiot. If you wouldn't have said anything, she would have never known. Villains. Giving away ideas.
That's true.
Giving away their plans all the time.
Then testing his power is all that remains.
Okay.
Hurry back, Norn.
Is Norn the cat that we're chasing? I think. I don't know. We'll find out in a sec. After I heal up. Whatever. Heal, Popo. Thanks. Get the hell out of here. Man, I wish I could just jump off the house. It would be way easier. Whoosh. As we go on a great adventure to Potato Forest. Potato? Potato. I don't know. Potato. Poto. Puto. Yeah, that sounds more like it. Lake Forwell. Hey, old man, what's up?
Hey, old man. Hey, you got a
Oh,
minute?
pretty close to what I was about to say.
Hey, Father? What was that, Sonny?
It's like the most unique voice ever.
What? What are you saying?
Are you deaf, old man? Kick him off the bridge.
Hearing aid, Pops.
How rude. I can hear just fine.
Not just a moment ago.
Forget it.
Kick him off the bridge again.
Such a jerk, Delsus.
Oh man, I'm a jerk then. I would have kicked that old man off the bridge.
My granddaughter. I haven't seen you in ages.
What?
I'm not your grandchild. Actually, we'd like to get to the ruins.
Okay.
Oh, well, why
Crazy old man.
didn't you say so? You can't get up there. Alcavana passed a law. You can't travel there without a visa.
What? You have visas back in these days? Okay, so we gotta get a visa card,
For
but
that idea.
that's gonna be
What
fun.
now?
Go to the nearest bank and buy a visa? Wait, there's no banks in this world.
We kicked their butts last time.
Yeah, we did. Pretty
I
hard.
want to push our luck.
Guess we'll have to take a boat then.
Wasn't that the plan? Apparently I'm not understanding the plan 100% anymore. I'm gonna guess we have to talk to him. First to grab that carrot. One thing I did realize, let's go back to the outdoor theater. I think I forgot. I didn't check the theater actually. I kind of rushed out of there pretty fast. Whoa, that's new. And of course, I'm just gonna take the pathway that. Oh, whatever. That was kind of just flying. Exploring time.
Daryl,
It's nothing. Take it. Boom. Skinny log. Hey you. Is there any other items around here? Not that I know of. Unless there's like a treasure hidden behind these boxes like last time. And I don't see no treasures. Unless you count this fake treasure chest. And absolutely nothing. No, this sucked. So yeah, let's go back to Lake Forwell. Yeah. Do 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 do. What? Is it me or does this thing keep on getting more ridiculous? And did I just screw myself over? Um. Oh, I see what they did here. Stand from here and burn that one. Okay. They really did think of that.
Barrel.
Take that barrel.
Barrel!
Barrel.
Barrel!
Okay, stop that. Destroy the barrel. Anything in here? Yep.
Barrel.
Take that barrel.
Barrel.
This game has a lot of barrels in it. Jump on your house. I guess not. Fish. Sure. What kind of fish do I want? I don't know. I'll take a mountain fish. Thanks. Don't know when we'll need it, but we have a mountain fish. Move it, lady. Don't have time. You. Yeah. Let's go across that river. That'll be fun. Like, we're on like some sort of rubber. No, it's not rubber. It's a dock, though. A pink wooden duck. What kind of people actually do that? Make pink wooden duck boats.
So then, where do we go from here?
How would I know? Collector's Caravan and the Proselyte Inn Camp? I don't know. There's a grave here, so we should kind of... I guess not. We should kind of read to respect the dead. Guess not. Screw that. Screw the campfire, too. Let's get the hell out of here. We got other fun things to do. Like, I don't know. I thought that was somewhere cool. Hello. Like, go see the Collector's Caravan.
Hello there. What do you have for me?
Okay, I will say one thing about this game so far. That they use the same sprite too many times for normal common people. Like, her sprite right there, I've seen literally maybe 4 of them just change, you know, the color of the clothes and color of their hair. But it's the same clothes, same, like, everything kind of thing. The only ones that are unique is, like, my party members, Violet, the one at the, whatever store, the magic store above the bar, and, you know, the guy at the bar. Besides that, the main people, like Sir Beggar, the spirits, I don't know, it's just weird.
A question. Where are we?
Oh, that is a good question.
A new customer. Hi, my name's Lecter.
That does not sound like a female's name. Lecter.
This caravan sells rare items that we collect from all across
Oh, items.
I don't suppose you have any visas.
Oh man,
the
I'll
world.
take.
Of course I do.
Wait, what?
I'm sure they're hard to come by. Huh? You do?
Oh, I've got 3 of them. For collection, sample, and trade.
What?
Who would have thunk it?
Could we have one? How much are they?
How about we make a deal?
Oh man, deals always suck. Just how much?
I need someone to make me an item list.
Ah, damn
Can
it.
you do that?
Yeah, no problem.
Well, you're an alchemist.
Okay then, it's a deal. Here you go.
Well, that was fast. Received Visa. So now I can buy shit online. Wait, there's no internet back
All
then.
I need you
Crap.
to do is stop by whenever you find a new item. I may even pay you.
Well, that's cool. The collector system now available. Would you like to view the tutorial? I guess. For you guys. Collector system.
Welcome to Popo's fourth wall. Lecture 701.
I still missed 201.
Cool.
I think 601.
Today, we're going to learn about... Where the heck is Clane? Oh well, guess he was too busy to make it. But don't worry, we'll have another guest speaker. Today's special guest is Lecter the Item Collector.
Swear to God, that's a guy's name.
Hello there, everyone.
Start whenever you're ready.
Well, this is a little something I call making an item list.
Cool.
When you find a new item, stop by, and I'll register it on the list.
Cool.
Depending on the items you bring, you'll receive various rewards.
Money?
For example, I'll give you a present after you bring me enough items.
Money? Still say that.
Oh, just collect stuff and show it to you. Wow, that sounds easy.
Yeah, actually it does.
It is. And you can view the list whenever you want. Cool, huh?
The only thing that sucks is I gotta travel super far away just for a chicken item list.
Thank you for speaking, Lecter.
Yeah. Lecter.
Do you have any other advice?
Not really. Visit me as often as you like.
I guess.
Well, guess I'll see you next time.
Continue. Thanks for the, whatever. I like the little statue here.
Barrel!
Barrel.
These barrels suck.
Barrel! Barrel!
Oi. There's stuff there I want, but I can't reach. I know I have to jump on your caravan. Damn. Oh well. Sure. What? Okay. Checklist. Oh, you actually have to give her the item. Which is going to be a little bit more complex because that means she even wants to see weapons. Meaning you almost have to buy 2 sets of weapons. Show items. 82. I made a note of it. So here's... What? Holy crap. Well, I completed that. Got a new care gallery. Nice. And got a shower kit. Bonus. You have unlocked bonuses. Nice. Well, because the... Crap. Got no new items. So we're pretty cool. I don't think I've actually had palm fish before though, or devilfish. It's just if I seen it, I guess. Yeah, so I'm gonna guess that's what it is. Peach cocktail, sound, liquor, there's another drink. A lot more drinks, huh? I just have to remind myself to check all these out. Medicine. More clothes, more clothes. Magic paper. Bomb. Big bomb. All different kinds of weapons. Cane. Those are weapons you can probably buy. Battle mace, I don't think I ever bought one of those. Okay, so it's if I see them in the stores too, it works. That's kind of cool. Okay, that's cool. So now you guys got to see how much items I collected at that moment. Besides that, nice. Let's go check out the other place I didn't check here around here. The camp.
Come on, Iron, Sway. It's time to patrol.
How the hell did you get way over here?
Dre, remain here. Keep watch. Don't worry, sir.
Did you even explain to Dre what we look like? Now we have this now.
It's about time they left.
It took a while.
That one shouldn't recognize us.
With some good acting and a little luck, we'll be on the other side in no time.
Yep. Oh, there's a
You
bunch of
need
stuff.
a visa to get through the gate.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Let's see here. Seems to be in order. Okay, you may pass.
Thank you, Dre.
Hey, keep up the good work.
Boy, am I hungry. I hope we have chicken to that tonight.
Oh, me too, bud.
Looks like we fooled him.
Let's get out of here before Beggar comes back.
But wait, there's items. Obtain flame. Ooh, a firebomb kind of thing. Is now available for synthesis. What's this? Oh, it's a save book. That's a weird place to put it. We'll save right here. Because, you know, that'd be cool. Bam, save complete. So, yeah. Let's begin another episode right here, then. So...